Okay, I have got a new evolution stage of this wiring. Got my switch hooked up, got a joystick hooked up, got a little 12-volt transformer powering this thing, and it looks like everything works. For the for a grapple attachment, open, close. Buttons don't work. The interlock button doesn't work. But if you turn the power on now, A for up, so that's the up solenoid for if you want to open and grapple. Down button if you want to close the grapple, and if you want to turn on the interlock, you press that, and if you want to go forward, you press that button, and you don't have to do anything. It continues to spin if you're using like the trencher or something. If you want to run it backwards, just close that button and hit backwards, and it runs in reverse. And you can see the AB open, close buttons don't work when the interlock is energized. So turn it all off. We are back to top. So we are back to the AB buttons working. Yep, so everything works good. All I gotta do is get it mounted.